Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me it is on the second page right over here. Now this is the default location of all the toggles, so for you it should be in about the same place. Now once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize a couple of them. So going really quickly into the settings, we have just a toggle for how long, which defines what happens when you toggle it on. We have a schedule mode, and then we have exceptions, meaning what can get through when the mode is enabled. So we have calls, messages, conversation, alarm sounds, apps, and notifications. So there we go. Go through them, customize them to your liking, and from there you can close this and never have to come back there again. And whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on a toggle like I just did. And if you're using a scheduled route, so if we go in here, as you've seen there was a schedule, then you don't need to worry about turning it on right here. Just make sure that the schedule is toggled on like so, and it will do it for you. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.